This is a review of the solar outdoor fence lights that we are going to be doing a unboxing review and install on, in which the company sent me out this product to put this to a test on that was gifted to, that we are going to, install this, and from there we are going to go more in depth about these solar fence lights. So without going further, let's unbox this package and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so these are all the 12-pack solar fence lights that you can see right over here. You can see it is plenty of them to do a lot of decorating around your home and your backyard. Now you can use this for your pool, your patio, and also your backyard as well too, your fences as well, above your fences, or you could put it below it, which I'll show you guys towards the end. It also comes with an instruction manual guide to see how you install it. So there's like 3 different ways to install it. Number one is one like right over here. So if you have your fences, like there's like a fence underneath it, you can just screw 2 holes underneath, which is located right over here. So you can have it just like this in this position, or you could, if you want, you could have it the other way, which this bracket removes right over here. And then right from here you could also, which I could show you guys in a more detailed way, where you could just remove this tab right here, and then you can see how this slides up. And then right over here, these 2 tabs, you just screw the screws that's provided right over there, which is right over here, these screws. And then you have plenty of options to do for the install. And also, if you want, like for example, if you have a patio, you could use a sticky adhesion, which is right over here, which I usually do not prefer, but I usually prefer the screw method instead, which we're going to do that. And I think I might have, for some of them, I'm going to use this position. The other ones, I'm going to use the ones that comes provided the bracket, but nonetheless, the product is really high quality, 12 different RGB colors. It also comes with the warm whites and also RGB like rainbow colors as well too. You can see how bright it is. But what we're going to do now is that we're going to go outside. We are going to put this product to a test, and we are going to install it and then show you guys the finished results. Okay, so there's 2 ways to mount these solar fence lights. Number one is this, where it comes with the provided bracket, which you can use it like this. If you're going to install in your fence like this, you could, you have to do it this method. But if you're going to install it on top of your fence, like on top of a pillar, then you can use this, which is right over here, like I told you guys before. This right over here, put 1 screw there and 1 screw there, and then it just sticks on like that. But what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna be using it this way. We're going to use the screws right over here and then pop them in, then show you guys more of the finished results. Okay, so just like that, you take the screw right over here, the Phillip head, screw it in like that, and this one right over here, and you repeat the same process on the other ones. And now I'm going to show you guys on the other alternative way to install it, is where you do it on top of it, which I'll show you guys about right now. Okay, so this is the finished results of the outdoor solar fence lights. You can see how beautiful these lights look like, and you can see I have it set to 1 color. But I would definitely recommend these lights because of the fact that it changes to different types of colors. You could give a Halloween effect as well too. And you could have it like this, you could have green, you could have blue, you have different types of colors. And especially when it's during the Halloween season, you could also, it will change to different color effects as well too. And you can see how beautiful these solar fence lights look like. I could set the colors to different colors, or you could just leave it to solid color as well too. It's your preference and choice to choose. But overall, if you are looking for solar fence lights, and these ones right over here are by far one of the best ones, because it changed the entire appearance to my backyard. You could put on your fence, very easy to install as you guys saw. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for some solar fence lights to give some ambience and change the appearance to your backyard. These ones right over here are by far one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.